Okay, let's continue chapter 7, 7.1, question number 7. Okay, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from this and this. Nah? So, when they say a point on x-axis, it like, see, suppose this x, this y-axis, right? So let's say this is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. So if a point is lying here, right at 1, the name of the point will be what? 1, 0, right? If it's lying here, right at 3, the name of the point will be 3, 0. If it's lying here, it will be minus 2, 0. What you'll notice is for every point that's lying on x-axis, the y-axis is 0, right? So when they say find a point on x-axis which is equidistant, so the point is lying on x-axis. So right now we don't know. See, they have given us 2 points, 2 minus 5. Let's say 2 minus 5 is one of the points, and then they've given us another point which is minus 2, 9. So let's say minus 2, 9 is another point. So we have to find a point on x-axis, okay, such that suppose if I put a point here, okay, and then let's say we draw a line here and a line here, we clearly can see that this is longer than this, right? So we have to find a point or adjust this point in such a way that the distance between these two and these two is same. Even now this is a little longer, so we have to take it a little big, I guess. I don't know. It's the one blind shot crazy. So now the distance between this and this, see, we can't. So we have to find a point on the x-axis such that the distance between this and this and the distance between this and this is exactly the same. So we will take this point as x0 because we know that y-axis is going to be 0 because it's lying on x-axis. So whenever you see the word equidistant, okay, it literally means that the lines are, the distance of the line from one point to the other and from one point to the other is same. Got it? So let's take, let point A equal to 2 minus 5, B equal to minus 2, 9, and C equal to x0. So it's like this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. So we have A, B, and C. So according to the question, what they are trying to say is that the distance between A and C and B and C is exactly the same. So AC equal to BC. Got it? So the distance between A and C, AC. So AC formula would be, let's keep this aside a little bit now. So this is between AC, A and C. So x2 minus x1, the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, the whole square, right? And then BC, so these two, so x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 the whole square. So whenever you see this kind of things where there's two roots, you can literally cut the roots. It's like saying squaring both sides only. Okay, so a minus b the whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus, this doesn't matter, minus plus, it's gonna be 5 square, that is 25. Here also this will become x minus minus, it will become plus, right? So x plus 2 the whole square, which is x square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus 9 square is 81. See, I'm not writing minus 81 because it's a square. Square though, minus take you, plus take you, it'll always be plus only. So, and I did this plus because minus into minus is plus. So now, since both are on opposite sides and there's x square, and both are positive, so we can cut. If they were on the same side, we can't cut if they're both positive. And if they're on the opposite side and they have opposite signs, we cannot cut. But if they're on the opposite side of equal to, and they share the same sign, then you can cut. Okay, for example, 2 square and 2 square we can cut because both are positive. and they're lying on opposite side of the equal to sign. But we cannot cut minus, say this minus 4x plus 25 equal to 2 to the 4 x plus 81. We cannot cut 4x and 4x because the sign is opposite. Okay, so I can bring 4x this side and then 25 this side. So minus 8x equal to, if we subtract this, we'll get 6. 7 minus 2 is 5, right? And if I send the minus 8 this side, it will become 56 by minus 8, or x equal to 8 7s are 56, so minus 7. So it is lying at, therefore the point is, we took the point as x0, right? Is minus 7 0. That's it. Understood? So which means this is lying at minus 7. See, I told you it will be a little further away. So minus 7 0. So that's it. Let's move on to the next question. Here's question number 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the point this and this is 10 units. So they're saying there's 2 points. One is 2 minus 3. And the Cartesian plane there's there. One is 10y. And then the distance between them is 10 units. So to find the distance between them, we use the distance formula, right? So according to question, PQ equal to 10 units. So PQ means this distance formula. So this is P, this is Q. Okay, I'll just do it from here. So 10 minus 2 is, otherwise you can do it in your head also. Y minus minus 3, 10 units. If I send the square root this side, it becomes square. Or you can do squaring both sides also, it doesn't matter. So 10 minus 2 is 8 square. Y plus 3 square equal to, this one sent inside, it becomes square. Got it? Root 2 opposite to this square. So 64 plus y square plus 3 square plus 2 into y into 3 equal to 100. So if I bring 100 also this side, it will become 64 plus y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 100 equal to 0. Now 64 plus 9 is what? Wait, let me just write y square first. Since it's a quadratic equation, I'll write y square first, next y, and then I'll do all this together. Okay, so 64 plus 9 is 73, right? And then you subtract that from 100, you'll get 7. 7 is 2, so 27. So minus 27 because 100 is larger. So we'll split the middle term now. So 27 means 9 into 3. 9 3 27. So y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27. I'm doing shortcut, okay? That's splitting the middle term. If you don't understand, let me know. Y plus 9 minus 3 y plus 9. So we will get y plus 9. See, I'm trying my best to show you the steps because I feel like you will not understand, but then it's advised that you do as much shortcut as possible because everything is going to be MCQ. So we have two equations here, two values of y here. So y is equal to 3 or y is equal to minus 9. So for both values of y, the point will lie exactly at the same distance of 10 units from point P. So that's it. Let's do question number 9. So, okay, if in case you did not understand the concept of this answer, it's simply this. Okay, see, we've got a point. Let's say 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is this side, I guess. 2 minus 3. And then we're getting 10 from x. Let's say this 10. And on y, we're getting 3 and minus 9. So on y, we're getting 3. And x, we're getting minus 9. So it's like 10 minus 9, 10, 3. So the distance between this and this and this and this is 10 units and 10 units. This is why we're getting 2 points. Got it? So because you have to understand the concept properly in case you want to answer all the MCQs properly. Yes. So question number 9, if Q is this, if Q is equidistant from P and R, so the same concept, we have a point Q and the distance between Q and P and R is same. So which means we'll be doing PQ equal to QR, right? Find the value of X. So according to question, let's just write PQR. Q is equal to 0, 1, P is equal to 5 minus 3, and R equal to 6 this. So find the value of X first. We'll do the first part first. So according to question, PQ equal to QR. So that's for PQ, that's for QR. So PQ, first let's do this. So 5 minus 0 is 5 square, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, so minus 4 square. I hope you understood. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Okay, for here it will be x minus 5 the whole square plus 6 minus minus 3, so minus minus becomes plus, so 9 square. So we cut the square root and square root. 25 plus 16 equal to, this one will get x square plus 25, 5 square is 25, minus 5 to the 10, x plus 81. I hope you're catching up since I'm doing a lot of shortcuts. 25 and 25 we can cut because both are positive. Now I'll just bring 16 this side, so 0 equal to x square minus 10x, so 81 minus 16, 81 minus 16, because 16 goes here, it'll become minus, right? So 5, 7 minus 1 is 6, 65. So you will write plus 65 because 81 is positive and minus 16. Excuse me. 65, 13 in the 5 is 65. We cannot use that. Okay, did we do something wrong? Wait, okay. 25. Oh, yeah. We were supposed to take PQ and QR, and I took here PR. So this is not the one it should be. X minus 0 dot x here as a plus 6 minus 1 dot 5 as a. This would have been way easier. Wait, let me just cut this off since I messed it up. So PQ equal to QR. PQ we got 5 square plus minus 4 the whole square, that's right. And then for QR, for QR of x minus 0 is x square, and then these two, okay, so 6 minus 1 is 5 square. 25 plus 16 equal to x square plus 25. 25 we can cut, so square descent side side equal to x, or since we are talking about Cartesian plan, x will be plus minus 4. Man easy question. So I hope you understood this much. So let's read the other part of the question. Also find the distance between QR and PR. So we have to find the distance between QR and PR also. Both like temperature, okay? Let's do it in another page. Excuse me. Okay. 5. Here's what I have. 5 minus 3 minus 1 is 4 square, and then x 5 square. Okay, it's fine. So we're getting plus minus 4. Okay, remember that. So we have to consider both plus and minus. So when x equal to plus 1, and then I'll do when x equal to minus 1. Okay, you have to find QR first now. So QR equal to root over C. Now we are getting Q as 0, 1. R to keep 1. We're taking as plus 1. Okay, so x la 1 6. So this one. So QR, so 1 minus 0 is 1 square plus 6 minus 1 is 5 square, which is root over 1 plus 25 root 26. For this one, R, we're going to take minus 1. So if I'm taking minus 1, it will be minus 1 plus, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1 only, minus 1 square is 1 only, or we can write minus 1 square for the timing, and the 6 minus 1 is 5. So here also we're getting 1 plus 25, that is 26. So for both value of plus 1 minus 1, it's going to be root 26 only. So QR is 26, done. Now now we are going to do it for PR, okay? When x equal to 1, when x equal to minus 1. So I'll just write here. Since we are going to do it for PR, let's write P first. So P is 5 minus 3, and then R is, in this case, since I'm taking positive 1, 1, 6, right? Here P is same, 5 minus 3, but in this case R is, we're taking negative 1, minus 1, 6. So let's apply the formula. PR equal to root over 5 minus, okay, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, so minus 4 square plus 6 minus minus 3 is plus 9 square. So here also PR equal to minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 square. Minus 1 minus 5 is, yeah, minus 6 square. And then 6 minus minus this, so this is also 9 square. So this we're getting 16 plus 81, which is 797. And this one we're getting 36 plus 81, which is 7 1. So we're getting different answers in this case. Okay, so that's it for number 9. I'll keep it like this. I hope my answers are correct. Please check from the back side of the book. If it's wrong, we'll correct it. Okay. Now number 10. Find a relation between x and y such that the point this is equidistant from the point this and this. So I'll just take this as A, B, and then C. And according to the question, they're saying A is equidistant from B and C. So AB should be equal to what? B, C. Huh? Equidistant. So AB is equidistant. Yeah. No, AC. Sorry. A is equidistant from B and C. So AB is equal to AC. So let's apply the formula. We will be cutting the roots anyways. So for AB, it will be x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. It doesn't matter if you minus this or this minus this, okay? Since the I want the variables to be first, so it will be less confusing. I'm just writing like this. So x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. I wrote x plus 3 because minus is plus. So square we can cut. We cannot cut this and this again because one is minus and one is plus. So we'll have to expand. So x square plus 3 square minus 2 into x into 3 plus y square plus 6 square minus 2 into y into 6 equal to this part. I'll just write here, okay? X square plus 3 square plus 2 into x into 3 plus y square plus 4 square minus 2 into y into 4. It is soft like the line as there, by the way. So this is this thing is the other part of equal to, this thing is the other part of equal to. So if we have same things, we can cut it off now along with the same sign. So x squared excuse me, you cut this and this. Is there anything else? We cannot cut this because the signs are different. Yeah, that's it, I guess. So let's multiply and write down. So this is minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y equal to, here we're getting 6x plus 16 minus 8y. So let's bring everything this side, okay, and then let's keep the constant that side. So minus 6x minus 6x, I brought the 6x this side, it will become minus 12y this one plus 8y equal to 16. I bring it this side, it becomes 36. So minus 12x minus 4y equal to minus 20. From here, I think I'll take minus 4 common. So this will be 3x plus y, because minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. Minus into plus is minus. 4 into 1 is 4. I hope you understood that taking common. So I took the minus common so that we can cut the minus and minus also. 4 5 is 20. So 3x plus y equal to 5. Is our final answer. I hope I'm right. If it's wrong, then let me know.